This is my 1966 Mustang. I have purchased a Paxton Power Hat Nobi 1200 SL system and installed it. It took me about a total of, I'd say about 6-7 hours total, not including screwing around, having to make up another alternator bracket. But the kit is complete. It does not come with a blow-off valve. I got the blow-off valve. I got off of our famous eBay. I got this tube with the valve flange on it, and then I plumbed it into what used to be my power brakes. I don't have power brakes anymore. I have a different system, as you can see. I have an fuel injection system, Vortech, that I ran for about 2.5 years, and the car ran really good. But I never had the power of this 302 that I wanted. So anyway, this is what it is. I'll click off now. The kit is, like I said, pretty good. The instructions are a little bit funky. I had to call their technical people, and they're really helpful. But anyway, I'm going to fire this thing up and let it warm up and then check it for any leaks or anything.